Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created add new part of quiz or exam management system project. If you are not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, I am going to create a new JFrame for this update question. So let's start. Let me close this application. After that, I just need to create a JFrame. So here I'm just going to create update. You can see JFrame form. And in this update question, okay, clicking on finish, and it's creating. Now first we're going to increase the size is to be 1066 comma 535. Okay, after that right click on this, going to the properties, and first we are changing it to always on the top. Okay, after that we are going to remove min max and close button. Here you can see it get removed. After that we are setting the location where we will open. So I am setting the location x is 150 and the y axis is 183. Okay, let me close this. After doing this, we have to insert a label here which having icons. Update, that one is update icon, update question icon. Okay, and after that double click on this, remove this label name from here. Okay, after that we are going to insert another label, and in this we have to write update question. Okay, and going to the properties, we are increasing the font size and design also. We are going to change in it, making it as bold and making it as 40. Okay, and we're also changing the text design to this one. Okay, let me click on close. Okay, you can see. And after that we also need a button for close this form. So for that we are using a button here, and in this I'm going to insert an image whose name is close. Okay, and double click on this and removing this. Oh sorry, it will move to the, just edit this text and remove this, and let me place it here. Okay, after that here we need a separator. So we are moving to swing menu. Here you can see separator, we are placing it here and increasing the size of this. Okay, let me make it as full. Okay, now you can see our upper part has been completed. Now we have to insert the labels. First we need to take the question ID one by one. We are going to do for all. Okay, and first is question ID. Okay, and after that question ID we just need another label. That one is for question, and after question we need another label for option 1. Okay, let me read one thing. Option 1, and the next label we are taking for the option 2, and option 1 by 1 we are going to take it 3, 4, and last one is for the answer. Okay, let me read to one by one. Option 2, event. Option 3, read this text. Option 4, and answer. Okay, and after that we also need the fields and buttons for that. First for the field we are using for this, and here I'm just placed it, and after that we also need a button here for the search. Okay, and for this fields we also need a text field, so let me place it one by one. Field, Okay, one by one. Sorry, text field, yeah. Text field 4, text field 5, text field 6, and text field 7. Okay, and the first we are going to increase the size of this. Okay, so I'm just selecting the all the labels and making it as bold 20. Going to the properties, and here I'm just selecting bold and I'm changing it to the 20. Size is to the 20. Let me click on OK. Let me close this. After that, we also selecting the text field here, making it as bold 20, and just moving to this bold. I'm just writing 20. OK. Just close this. And after that, we are also increasing the size of this button, making it as bold 20. Okay. Okay, let me close this. After that, first we increase editing this text and search. This one is button for the search the question. And after that, we are also inserting the icon in it. That one is for the search icon I am using. Let me close this. You can see. Let me edit this text, remove this, and increasing the size to make it as 200. After that, we are also increasing the size of this. Let me minimize this. Okay, and making it as 700. Okay, and let me check out the size. We are 1066. Yeah, perfect. And we are also increasing the size of this also, one by one. Okay, let me increase the size of this field 6, and at last we having 7. Let me read this text one by one. Remove this, read this text, remove. Text field 4 removed, text field 5 removed, text field 6 removed, and we also remove this. Okay, now the next thing is we need here buttons. So here we need two buttons. The first one is for the clear this text. For the first one is for to save, and or you can say update. So there I'm using writing update, and the next one is for the clear. And let me make it as selected and going to the properties and making it as bold 20. Okay, let me close this. Now we are selecting this update and going to properties. I am setting the icon. That one is save icon I am using here. Let me close this. After that, we are using clear. There's a clear icon. Okay, and sorry. Okay, selected. Now you can see it perfectly. Our form has been created. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and all is created. Now we have to insert a background image. So for that, first we need to change the set layout to absolute layout. After that, we are inserting a label in it. Label. Going to the properties, and here I'm just changing, and I guess all pages background admin. Okay. So let me place it perfectly on this form. Okay, let me double click on this, remove this label name. You can see this one is removed, and let me save it. Now you can see our front end part has been completed. Now we have to write the codes for the backend. So let's start. Now the first thing is we are going to do is first we are going to connect this form with our admin home page. So here I'm just moving, and in this I'm just going to write the code in event and mouse clicked event. Okay, make sure you are writing the code in the mouse click event, and here just move in it, and I'm just going to copy this code, this as it is code in this this event, and I already explained you about this code, open and all JFrame. So if you are not seen my previous video, just go and check on in my description. I already provided the link. So here I just need to new update dot set visible. I just need to write here true. Okay, it's working. It's showing error. Let me check it out. Okay, it's automatically gets resolved. Now we just need to write the codes in close JFrame. So here I'm just move to here, and here just need to write admin home dot open equals to 0. We are setting here, and set visible. I'm just writing here true. Oh, sorry, false. We just need to write false. Now the close button is working now. Now we have to write the, let me make it a little bit left. Now we have to write the code in this search button. So I just move to the search button event. Okay, after that we just need to take the details. Okay, first taking a variable, a student ID, a string ID, we are just writing j text field. That one is the first. From there we are taking the ID. Okay, after that, okay, and we also need to import. Okay, let me write here, import java.sql.asterisk. Okay, after that import project but connection provider class. Okay, and okay, this one is open. Let me minimize it, and here we just need to again write try catch block in it, catch, and in this exception E, and here we just need to write, first we need to create the connection con equals to, we already have a connection provider class, so I'm using this dot get connection. Okay, after that we have to use statement to retrieve the data, creating the statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, and after that we are using result set rs equals to st dot execute query, you can see, and in this we just need to write here select star from question is our table name, where id equals to, and here just need to be the id, so id. Okay, after that semicolon, and after that if rs dot next first, and here we just need to write j text field, and we need to set text for the text field too, and set text here. We are setting the text here rs dot get string. We are taking the string, and that one is from 2. Yeah, and let me copy this, 1 2 3 4 and 5, I guess. Yeah, let me change to 3 4 5 6 and the 7. Okay, and let me also change it to 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, after that we also need to disable our text field 1, or you can say id number, text field first dot set editable, and here I'm just setting the editable should be false. Okay, you can see, and after that we just need to write the code in update. So we are moving to, okay, one more thing, after displaying this, it may be the chance that any error or that id does not exist. In that case we also need to display, okay, so JFrame JF equals to new JFrame. Okay, JF dot always Okay, set always on the top. True, I'm just writing. Making our GeoOption pan always on the top. That's why we are using this. GeoOption pan dot show message dialog here. And here I just need to hit JF, and in the text we are just writing question ID does not exist. Okay, and in the catch section we are also going to copy this same code, and here just pasting it here, catch block, and here I just need to change it to displaying the error whatever we are getting. So I'm just writing E. Okay, you can see the search button has been completed. Now we have to write the codes for the update. So I'm moving to the event action performed, and in this first we need to do is we just need to get the details from the particular fields, and after that we need to update. So one by one we are going to again string taking the details, string id equals to j text field. We are taking from text, get text from field 1. Okay, let me copy it 6 more time. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. One by one we are going to change it. The name, the first is name, question name you can say. After that option opt1, after that opt2, after opt3, after that opt4, and at last we having answ answer, and we are going to change the text field. So 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, you can see we are taking all the details of the question. After that we are using try catch block here, catch block here. Okay, and here I'm just using exception E, and in this we are going to first create the connection con equals to connection provider class we already created dot get connection. After that we are going to prepare the statement you are using here, prepared statement ps equals to con dot prepared statement here I'm using, and in this we are just need to write the query. Okay, so the query is update question and set name equals to, and the question mark comma opt1 equals to question opt1 equals to question mark comma, after that opt2 equals to question mark. Okay, and after that opt3 question mark comma, opt4 equals to question mark comma, and after that a answer equals to question mark. Okay, where id is equals to question mark. Okay, you can see, and after that we just need to write here update question set name option. You can see after that we just need to write here ps dot set string here, string this one, and in this we are going to write first, and the first thing we are inserting is name. So let me copy this all, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Let me change it to 1 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and after name we just need to display opt1 option 1, opt2, opt3, opt4. Yeah, after that we just need to display the answer, update the answer. After that we just need at last id. Okay, And after this, we just need to write ps.execute update. You can see. And after that, we also need to display a pop-up message that successfully updated. So for that, we are just going to use the previous this code. So let me copy this and let me place it here. And we just need to display that successfully updated. Okay. And we also need to refresh, or you can say delete all the details. So for that, set visible and false, and the new visual we are setting update question dot set visible, and I'm just writing true. In the catch block, we are again just need to copy the same code, and here just need to remove this, and here just need to write e. Whatever the exception, it will display. After writing this all, we just need to write little bit code for the killer. So I'm just moving to event action performed, and in this we just need to write here, let me move it a little bit up, and here just need to write j text field 1 dot set text, and I just need to write nothing, and one we are copying for all 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and one more 7 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and one more thing, we disable the jtext field 1, so we also need to make it as editable. So set editable, and we just need to here write true. Okay, when we click on this, it will editable. So let me run this admin module. We already connected update question with our admin home page. So let me run this, and let me click on the update question. You can see this form has been opened. Now we have only ID number 1, so let me search it. You can see all the details of that question number 1 is display here. The correct answer is lowercase, but we are going to change it to the uppercase. So let me remove this and let me paste it, and let me click on update. You can see a pop-up message successfully updated. Let me click on OK. You can see refreshed. Let me click on 1. Let me search it again. You can see update case has been displayed. Let me change to the lowercase again because the correct answer is lowercase. Let me click on update. Successfully updated. Okay, and let me write anything here. You can see, let me click on killer. You can see it get killer, and let me search it 1, and you can see it's get changes. We cannot read this question ID. When we click on killer, you can see all we can write it here. And let me close this, and let me open this form. You can see it's working, and let me try to open this form. You can see a pop-up message, one form is already open. So this is all about my update question part of quiz or exam management system project. In the next video, I'm going to create for the all question part of this project. So stay tuned with us. Please hit like and subscribe my channel.